going on, boys? We're just gonna have to take this one pretty chill. I had a bit of a breezer last night, I'm not gonna lie. My girl just went up north again to work at a hospital. So obviously, you know, the first thing I did was call over the boys. We're just gonna vlog around, bro. I haven't actually stepped foot into the living room yet. We had a few brewskis. However, with my brain not working, I think this is a good video. You guys saw the title, bro. We legitimately got what the title is. Oh, dear Lord. It's actually not as bad as I thought. Welcome to the house, my girl is gone. Okay, who's shotgunning in the house, bro? Welcome to Canada. I guess that explains the wet towel. Oh, new TV, by the way. Actually, hold on. It's kind of nice, I like it. I bought 2 more, I don't know why, but it was a good deal, man. Yeah, bro, so what's happening right now? I'm not even sure. I literally just woke up. Thumbs up, comment down below, boys. We're gonna be vlogging around the house this week, pretty much. Well, my girl's gone, because I can't do that when she's home. She's always here working, studying, or freaking watching the TV. One of 3.
Should we get into this unboxing, bro?
Okay, so I got this package yesterday, the one that we're about to unbox. This one right here, it took all the freaking power in the world to not unbox it with my boys yesterday, hoping that we actually got what I bought off eBay, but I didn't. I saved it for you guys, so I guess this is the video of unboxing Selena Gomez's real PSA authenticated, apparently, that's what we're actually gonna have to check, Panties. Use Panties. I don't recommend buying any of this. It's actually quite creepy, but we have to do it for the bit, boys. Selena on the lip, you know, if it's going to any owner, it's gonna be me. For asshole. Anyway, boy, I guess we're just gonna set up right here. I don't feel like setting up the room right now. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, yes! I actually didn't want that to be on. That's on still. Fuck yeah. Alright, boys, to say that this package that I'm holding in my hand right now, to say that I'm stoked about it is an understatement, bro. I've been waiting for this forever. I actually forgot I bought it, to be honest. It doesn't have a date of when I bought it, I don't think, on here. It doesn't matter. Anyway, Selena Gomez Panties. Found it on eBay. Shout out to one of you guys that actually sent me the link for it. This was a long time ago. I can't remember you, bro. I always take a screenshot to set you guys out, but I can't find the screenshot. So anyway, Selena Gomez certified, so PSA is like certification that they do for autographs or anything like that. Worn memorabilia. I think this is worn memorabilia. Pretty much saying that's 100% legit. You feel what I'm saying? So I just had to do it for the goof, man. My girl knows, don't worry, but you gotta do it for the video, bro. And honestly, I gotta hang these up in my room. Maybe we'll do a sniff test. This is ridiculous. You guys know I get off on like the foot. I think getting off is probably a wrong term for this video. I don't actually get off. My tires get pumped a little bit. I get pumped a little bit when I'm finding like some really weird products to unbox. And this is Selena Gomez, apparently worn panties. I hope this is okay. It's all for the goof, YouTube. Everything is all for the goof. Who knows, YouTube? Maybe I'm faking this. You know what I mean? So I have to say everything for my protection here. Boys, let's get into this package. It came in yesterday, man. I'm stoked. You just gotta look at it, you know? Alright, boys, let's get into it. This right here might be the most monumental unboxing on the channel. Once again, I do not promote this. Honestly, I think it is fake. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I still did it for the goof of the video, but I doubt it's certified by PSA. Like, it means somebody had, like, she had to give it to somebody, you know what I mean? Oh my God, they're in there though. We did get some. Oh! There's a PSA certification! Oh man, too much for the head. Holy shoot, I can see it sticking out. PSA, okay, what the hell? If this is real, now I feel, I really didn't think this would be real. Now I feel weird. This item has been examined by one or more PSA/DNA, oh no, authenticators, and it is our opinion that the item is genuine. Oh no. The item has been permanently marked with proprietary, don't know what the frick that means, invisible ink. Huh? That contains a patented strand of synthetic DNA. I don't know what the hell that means. Anyway, boys, what are we gonna do? We're gonna sniff test, and they're pink. I don't have a preference with panties, by the way. I'm not one of those guys. I like them off. You know, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I don't even think I should be touching these, bro. Now this is getting really weird. I mean, this is funny. I'll touch them. If that's freaking... So there is a little code on this card, certification number. So I'm gonna go on PSA after it, and we're gonna check if this is actually legit, because that's how you check. I've had PSA autograph things before, or whatever, and you can check it. Anyway, holy crap. What the f am I doing? If these are real, I'm totally framing them. Licenza. They're Licenza, boys. We're doing a review on pink panties. I don't know, isn't she sponsored by Licenza? So this could make, oh no, it's Victoria's Secret or something. Yeah, this isn't adding up already. Sniff test. I guess this is where they don't actually smell bad. It just have a gag reflex like nothing else. It just kind of grosses me out doing that. They don't smell like anything. I don't really want to hold these anymore. I want to check that certification to make sure that's actually hers. Then I feel more comfortable. She seems like a clean lady. She's rich, so she probably like has a nice shower, so she bathes quite a bit, like in a good shower, so like she bathes better. But right now, without checking that certification, I might be just holding some random used panties, because these are definitely used. They look like they have been dryer shrunk a few times. Oh God. If you guys look right here, I got a window that shows my neighbors. You can't see it. Anyway, I think they just saw me. That's super embarrassing. They walked into weirder though, I'm not gonna lie. There's that, I don't know what the hell we did. No, stop. Stop, don't do it anymore. I can't do gross things, man. All right, I'm gonna hop on my phone real quick. I'm holding them like this because I don't know if there's somebody else's. I'm gonna hop on my phone real quick, and then we'll play with them a little bit if it actually is Selena Gomez's. I'm just kidding. All right, let's check the certification, and I'll tell you if it matches. What it'll show me is it'll like come up to Selena Gomez or something like that, because what they could have done is just thrown a different card in here. Okay. Washing. Yeah, it's a fake card. It doesn't show up for anything. I just held somebody's weird panties. What a scam, stupid. God, what a bummer, man. I had this whole frame in mind with like the pic. It sounds so weird, but just for the goof, the frame. I'm kind of glad they're not real. Now I feel less creepy. Now I just feel. That's recycling, I'll fix it later. Well, that's a bummer and gross. Appreciate it. How do you fake this? I guess it's kind of easy. God damn it! Well, there's the video, boys. I mean, there's not much else we can do off this except for I'm literally gonna go shower. I needed to anyway, but I actually feel really gross. I'm really holding back puke right now. I probably won't puke, but I never usually do, but the gags are kind of coming up. I don't think I'm fully comprehending what I just held. Appreciate y'all. That, fuck. No, so I just got scammed $200.